Are you wondering how to make money during a recession, especially when you're retired? The uncertainty in the economy can be especially nerve-wracking for retirees who depend on their savings to live comfortably. But with the right strategies, you can still make your money work for you, even in tough times. Today, we're going to dive into some smart options to protect and grow your wealth during a recession. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll have a solid game plan to put into action right away. Before we jump in, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, make sure to check the first link in the description for a free guide on why thousands of Americans are turning to gold IRAs to secure their savings. If you're not already considering it, this guide might just change your mind. Let's start with the basics. One of the most effective ways to make money and protect your assets during a recession is diversifying your investments. If you've been putting all your eggs in the stock market, that can feel especially risky when the market is volatile. Diversification helps spread out the risk, and it can also provide more stability for your portfolio. But not all diversification strategies are created equal. For retirees, gold IRAs are one of the best ways to diversify. Gold has always been seen as a safe haven, especially in times of economic downturn. When the stock market is crashing, gold tends to hold its value or even appreciate. This makes it a powerful tool for wealth preservation. If you haven't already looked into gold IRAs, I highly recommend you do so. It's one of the smartest decisions you can make for your financial future, especially if you're relying on your retirement savings. Now, if you're not ready to jump into gold just yet, there are other options to consider. Real estate can be a great asset, especially if you're in a position to invest in properties that are expected to appreciate over time. This can offer you both income from renting properties and long-term capital gains when selling them. But here's the thing. If you're a retiree, maintaining real estate might not always be the best fit. The responsibilities can be overwhelming, and it's more hands-on than some people are comfortable with. This brings us to a key point. The more passive income streams you can create, the better. If real estate feels too involved, look into dividend-paying stocks or bonds. These can offer regular, stable income without the stress of day-to-day management. However, the risk with these traditional options is they can be highly dependent on the market, which is why gold IRAs are still a standout choice. If you're not familiar with them, gold IRAs allow you to hold physical gold and other precious metals in your retirement account. This means you're not at the mercy of the stock market, and you're building a hedge against inflation and financial instability. The nice thing about gold IRAs is that you can transfer an existing IRA or 401k into one, which means you can keep your retirement savings while also protecting them with the stability of gold. Now let's talk about something that not everyone thinks about, annuities. While they can offer a predictable stream of income, especially for retirees, they aren't always the best option. The reason is that many annuities come with high fees and low returns, and in a recession, they might not give you the growth you need. In comparison, gold IRAs have the potential for real growth, especially when gold prices are rising. To sum it up, making money during a recession as a retiree requires careful planning. Diversifying your investments, creating passive income streams, and protecting your wealth are all essential. But if you're looking for a solid, long-term way to safeguard and grow your wealth, a gold IRA is by far one of the best choices out there. If you've got over 100Ks in your IRA or 401k, or even up to $5 million in savings, this is the perfect time to take action and consider a gold IRA. I can't stress enough how crucial it is to protect your wealth in uncertain times. Don't wait for the next economic downturn to start planning. For more information on why gold IRAs are becoming the go-to choice for retirees, click the first link in the description and get your free guide. Whether you're new to gold IRAs or looking to learn more, this guide will help you take control of your financial future. Take action now and make sure your wealth is protected for the long haul.